I don't know if they gonna do it, but I told y'all before, Rod Wave might get dropped because at the end of the day, the feds over everything and he schmirk. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Take a listen to this. So as you can see, this is from the Findling Law Firm PC. I'm gonna go ahead and boost this one up for you so y'all can see. Admitted in California. So Drew ain't even in where he normally is. He's not on Piedmont right now. That boy said, I'm way the hell in Cali. Feeling like he Biggie Smalls, y'all. But anyways, let's scroll to right here. Miss Ethel Daniels, litigation manager to the Honorable Eric A. Richardson, State Court of Fulton County. Ms. Daniels, please be advised that pursuant to Uniform Superior Court Rule 17.1, we are notifying this court of a conflict in the above style case on November 17, 2025. We are scheduled to appear in State of Georgia versus Rodarius Marcel Green, case number 21 CR 0047003F, before the Honorable Eric A. Richardson. On that same day, we are scheduled to appear in a motions hearing United States versus Durk Banks, case number CR 24-621B-MWF-6, before the Honorable Michael Fitzgerald in the United States District Court for the Central District of California. At this time, it is our intention to appear in United States versus Durk Banks. Thank you for your time and consideration. Regards, Drew Findling and Marissa Goldberg. So that means we ain't showing up. But I ain't gonna hold you. It get a little deeper than that. I want y'all to listen to this BS right here. Rod Wave locked up on weapon, drug charges. Rod Wave's attorney, Drew Findling, Marissa Goldberg, and Zach Findling tell TMZ Rod Wave was unjustly profiled and unlawfully arrested in Atlanta. The arresting officer belongs to the Atlanta Police Department's Controversial Crime Suppression Unit. That sounds insane. A group known for its aggressive tactics and emphasis on high-profile arrest numbers after then genuine public safety. They add, Rod Wave was targeted because of the unit's quota-driven approach, a practice they say completely undermines true justice as well as trust in the community. The lawyers say they looked forward to defending Rod Wave and pointing out the clear violations of his rights in court. Rapper Rod Wave was arrested in Fulton County, Georgia, Friday on weapon and drug charges. TMZ has learned he was arrested by the Atlanta Police Department for possession of a firearm or knife during the commission of or attempt to commit certain felonies: reckless driving, possession of a Schedule 5 controlled substance, and possession of Schedule 2 controlled substance. He is still in custody as of Saturday morning, but won't be for long. Rod's attorney, Drew Findling, tells TMZ he already has his first appearance in court where they agreed to an $8,000 bond. It is unclear what led to leaving Hitmaker's request. TMZ has reached out to APD for information. So far, no word back, because they don't like y'all, TMZ. Rod Wave, born Rodarius Green, found himself behind bars this spring after he was accused of firing his Glock 10 millimeter semi-automatic pistol at his Atlanta home following a disagreement with his realtors and other associates. Police told us he also attempted to flee the scene to avoid apprehension. We are told the incident broke his active bond order, which stemmed from an October 2020 battery incident. Yeah, that's what it was. I messed it up later in the video, so I got the date wrong on that. But that's, yeah, you're gonna find out pretty soon. He was hit with an array of charges, which included aggravated assault, possession of firearm during the commission of a felony, reckless conduct, and more. His attorneys defending him at the time, telling TMZ the charges were meritless. You may remember, he was also booked in Florida last year on 2 counts of possession of a firearm by a convicted felon and was arrested by police in 2022 for allegedly choking his girlfriend. Yeah. The case was not prosecuted. Now, could Drew Findling ultimately drop Rod Wave? Yeah, he could. I mean, if Rod Wave keeps on getting in trouble and doing this and doing that, and I don't want to hear this BS about, oh, I'm being targeted. Bruh, you literally are charged with shooting at a car. Then you charged with doing certain stuff. Bruh, you got caught with leaning your car. I don't know. See, and this is the thing, right? When Rod Wave got out, he had a grill in his mouth. He was doing all this, and all that. And I'm looking at it. I'm like, he don't get it. He don't get it. He don't understand. Bro, you have 3 pending felonies at the same damn time. You hit 1, 2, 3 times. Once is enough for me to go, all right, you might want to calm down a little bit. Twice is like, hey, bro, sharpen up, bro. You tripping. 3 times is you don't give a damn. When a client becomes a danger to himself, he's a danger to everybody else, meaning your reputation, your credibility, all of this stuff. I'm not saying Drew is like Jamie Foxx in that movie with Leonidas. I forget what Cuz's name is. What is it? He actually has a name. Anyways, I'm not saying that him and dude that played the Den of Thieves, you know what I'm saying? Like Jamie Foxx in that movie, what is it? United Citizen, Law-Abiding Citizen? Yeah. If y'all remember, right, Law-Abiding Citizen, the dude that Jamie Foxx portrayed was a defense attorney who did not like losing. He didn't want to lose. He wanted the undefeated record, never lost. Wanted to be, his name was Nick, wanted to be basically top class, top flight lawyer. Don't lose no cases, care about his reputation. Long as I get my conviction, I'm winning. All right, cool, no issue. But the issue that I have is simply this. Rod Wave, you're not making it easier. I don't like when people do that, they're targeting me. All right, cool. You do know driving is a privilege, it's not a right. I hope everybody watching this knows this. Driving is not a right, it is a privilege. So if you are afforded a privilege by doing this, and this, cool. Now, let me say this. It's possible it wasn't even Rod Wave's. It's possible. But to sit here and cry and complain and say, oh, they're targeting me, they're coming after me. What's that supposed to do? What is that supposed to do exactly? If you were a thief, right, and we caught you in a store and you got arrested, you didn't get banned, you go there a second time, you get arrested, you don't get banned, you go there a third time, and people are watching you. Rod Wave been getting in trouble in Atlanta since basically like 2022 or some shit like that. Bruh really had 4 cases, 4 of them. So I don't understand this. And Rod Wave is on the verge of losing Drew Findling. Flat out. If Drew Findling has to keep on pushing dates back and all this stuff and what he's doing with Durk's case, bruh, Durk's case is taking up a lot of Drew's and Marissa's freaking time. Hold on, let me kill this AC. My bad, y'all. My bad. A lot of this stuff is killing his time, bro. Like, what is Drew gonna do? Is the question that I'm asking myself if I'm Rod Wave. Could you get Brian Steele? For sure, you can go get Brian Steele. No issue with that. Brian Steele's good, but he ain't no Drew. And that's not to knock nobody and be like, oh, well, Drew this, Drew that. It's Drew's team. Drew's mindset is this. I'm Captain America. I'm not the strongest Avenger. I got these hands. I'm strategic. I do this, I do that. Drew go get the Incredible Hulk. Go get Iron Man. You know what I'm saying? Drew go get Thor. Like, this is what Drew does. Avengers Assemble type shit. You know what I'm saying? So when y'all hear and see, hey, it's Drew Findling, bro. It's Drew Findling. It's not just Drew. It's the team. If Rod Wave don't shape it up, bro, he gonna have to go with a lawyer that he more than likely does not want. Drew is in high demand. Brian Steele is in high demand. Steve Sadow is in high demand. Hell, what's my guy name that just won the case for Hernandez Govan? He's in high demand. So you're gonna end up messing with a lawyer that doesn't have the connections, doesn't know the judges, can't talk to the goddamn DA like, listen, I'll do this, I'll do that. None of that. These DAs see certain lawyers and they don't want to see them in court. They don't want to go through none of this stuff. They don't want that look, that feel of shit, it's this person. So Rod Wave don't shape it up and get cool. I'm damn near gonna call it. If Rod Wave gets one more charge, and some of y'all like, Drew's not gonna pass up that money. Nigga, he got $1 billion. What are you talking? He's a $1 billion lawyer. There is no more $1 billion lawyers. You think Drew Findling is gonna represent Rod Wave? He get charged the 4th time this year? Just ask yourself that question. How much money you think Rod Wave gonna give him? How much money do y'all think Rod Wave has? Not calling Rod Wave broke, but shit. You think that a dude who won't listen to his attorney, Won't stop drinking, won't stop bringing pistols, won't stop doing stupid shit, won't stop being a target himself. You cannot complain about the police targeting you when literally the last 2 times they pulled you over, they was right. 3rd time they pull you over, they're right. What logic is that? Where does this even make sense at? Just trying to understand to understand. So at the end of the day, bro, Rod Wave is in complete chaos as far as Drew Findling calming the storm. Rod Wave, leave Georgia, bro. Leave. Get out. Get your ass out, bro. Get out. Shit, go to Charlotte. Charlotte nice as hell, bro. That's where it's at right now. Don't even go to Charlotte. Don't go to Queen City, bro. You might get your ass in trouble there. Then you're gonna be looking for Drew Findling to pull a Pro Hoc Vice in freaking North Carolina. Who knows if he even has to do that? Like, I don't know, bro. I feel a little bit bad, a tiny bit bad for him because I think he don't get it. Like, I really think Rod Wave don't get it. I think mentally he checked out. I'm gonna see, it might be in this video, it might not be. I'm gonna go try to find the damn post of Rod Wave doing this. So if you already seen it in the video, look how stupid that looked. This is literally 2 hours after getting bonded out for your 3rd goddamn felony in less than a year. It ain't even been a full year. I got his first charge in February. I can see, January, and I get smacked on July, and I get smacked in October. Well, November. Are we in November? Yeah. So it is what it is, man. Let me know y'all thoughts on this one. Am I tripping? Like some of y'all be, oh no, Drew Findling ain't turning down no money. Or do you feel like, bruh, if Rod Wave keep on getting in trouble, keep on crashing out, Drew's gonna have to drop him. Then you're gonna have to go to secondary tier ass goddamn lawyers. And that's not saying that they bad, because all lawyers start off as 2nd tier. They don't have a name when they start out. They build their name through the laws and through what they do and through all of this stuff. But do y'all feel like me, or do y'all feel some type of different way? Like, shit, nah, Nash, you tripping. Drew ain't finna turn down no 2-3 million. Hell nah, not to fight Lil Durk case. If Lil Durk beats this case, Drew's immortalized. If Drew Findling beats the Lil Durk case, bruh, he's immortalized, brother. Ain't no 2 ands, 3 ands, 4 ands about it. Drew Findling beat this. So Drew understands. Everybody knows this. Nigga, you gotta focus fully on Lil Durk. Rod Wave, stop getting your ass in trouble, bro. That's all I'm gonna say. Yeah. But click right here to see exactly what the hell Nash is talking about when he talks about Drew Findling winning this case. Update right before your lunch break. I'll catch you on the next one.